Want to control your Tesla from your wrist? This video shows you how to set up the Tesla app on your Apple Watch. We'll cover everything from installation and login to adding those useful watch complications so you can unlock your car, check the battery, and more, all from your watch. Requires Tesla app version 4.3.0 or later and watchOS 7.0 Plus. First, ensure you have the Tesla app installed on your iPhone and that it's updated to the latest version from the App Store. Your Apple Watch must be paired with your iPhone. Use the Watch app on your iPhone to confirm pairing before proceeding. Open the Watch app on your iPhone to manage your Apple Watch settings. Scroll down in the app until you reach the Installed on Apple Watch section. Find the Tesla app in the list and make sure the toggle next to it is enabled. This will install the app automatically. If the app doesn't install automatically, toggle it manually. The Tesla app will now appear on your Apple Watch. Open the Tesla app on your iPhone to begin the login process. Enter your Tesla account email and password in the login screen. Then tap the Sign In button to authenticate. No separate login is required on the Apple Watch itself. Authentication syncs automatically from your iPhone to the watch. Ensure your iPhone remains nearby and connected to the internet during this process for the authentication to sync properly. Now, let's add complications for quick access. On your Apple Watch, long press on the watch face to enter edit mode. Tap Edit to begin customizing your watch face. Swipe left until you reach the Complications screen where you can add custom elements to your watch face. Tap on the complication slots you want to customize and select the Tesla options. Options include battery level, door status, and climate control. Once installed, open the Tesla app on your Apple Watch. Use the digital crown to scroll through the available options. The app offers options like locking or unlocking doors, starting the climate control, honking the horn, or flashing the lights. Tap on the desired function to execute the command. These commands use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi through the paired iPhone. If the Tesla app isn't working on your watch, the first thing to check is Bluetooth connectivity. Both your iPhone and Apple Watch need Bluetooth enabled to communicate properly. On your Apple Watch, also verify that Bluetooth is turned on. The watch settings should show Bluetooth as active for proper pairing. Next, ensure both your iPhone and Apple Watch have a stable internet connection. The Tesla app requires online connectivity to sync vehicle data and perform remote commands. If connectivity issues persist, try restarting both your iPhone and Apple Watch. This can resolve temporary syncing problems and refresh the connection between devices. Finally, ensure both the Tesla app on your iPhone and your Apple Watch's operating system are fully up to date. Software updates often include bug fixes that can resolve compatibility issues. The Tesla app on your Apple Watch offers significant benefits for Tesla owners. It provides quick and convenient access to essential vehicle controls without needing your iPhone nearby. You can unlock doors, check battery levels, adjust climate settings, and even initiate remote start, all from your wrist. Urban drivers save 2 to 3 minutes daily, and the haptic feedback makes it accessible for all users. The app also shows detailed vehicle information at a glance, including charging status and range. Looking ahead, future updates promise even more integration. Siri voice commands could allow hands-free control, while expanded smart home connectivity might link your watch to Tesla energy products like Powerwall. These developments point towards zero-touch interactions and support for upcoming models like the Cybertruck, making Tesla control more seamless than ever.